Artist Sougwen Chung has spent 15 years developing her project, Drawing Operations, where the robotic arms she designed don't merely mimic her movements but respond creatively, forming a true dialogue between human and machine.
There is an overhead camera in the work that reads my gestures in space when I'm making the work. There's a neural network that drives, in one of the generations, there's a neural network that's trained on 2 decades of my own drawing data that responds to the mark I make on the canvas. It really creates an embodied linkage between myself and the robotic system.
K-pop band Big Ocean, in which all members are deaf, has embraced AI and wearable technology to feel rhythm through light and vibrations, while also using AI to enhance and refine their vocals.
I learned the drum rhythm using light cues and vibrating metronome. Then we used AI, allowing it to learn our voices and have enhanced the overall quality of our music.
AI cannot replace the artist, but it can expand their creative potential. It marks a new chapter in the history of art evolving alongside technology.
The way artists describe their work is that they collaborate with AI, and AI is able to help them do things that they wouldn't ordinarily be able to do. So it even enhances their creativity.
The creative journey has always needed collaboration, and now we see how algorithms can become a companion to modern-day art and artists.